Hello everyone, Namaste. My name is Parth Parikh. Today we are going to see how to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is the most practiced pranayam, commonly practiced pranayam. Today we will see how to do it correctly. Sit in any cross leg position which is comfortable for you. Okay? And keep your shoulders relaxed and keep your spine relaxed. The spine should not be too straight and too tight like this, neither it should be too hunched like this. Okay, be in a natural position so that you feel relaxed in this position and keep the shoulders relaxed. But this is how you take position for Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Now if you are not able to sit on the floor in a cross leg position, what you can do is you can sit on a chair and do it comfortably, no problem with it, if you have any problem sitting down on the ground. This is about the position that we take for Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Now the next is the technique how to do it. So before learning Anulom Vilom Pranayam, we will have to learn how to breathe in and how to breathe out while doing the pranayam. So when you breathe in, okay, when you are doing the pranayam, when you breathe in, first your stomach will inflate a little and then your chest will expand. What will happen when you will inhale? Your stomach will inflate. You will inflate your stomach a little and then you will expand your chest when you inhale. फर्स्ट यू विल इन्फ्लेट द स्टमक, आप पेट को बाहर की तरफ ले आओगे इनहेल करते वक्त और फिर आप छाती को फुलाओगे. दिस विल गिव यू ऑप्टिमम इनहेलेशन एंड फर्स्ट योर लोअर lobes of the lungs will open up and then your upper lobes of the lungs will open up. This is how you inhale. While exhaling you will concentrate on the abdomen and your abdomen will go in. आपका पेट exhalation के वक्त अंदर जाएगा. Okay, this is how you inhale and exhale. That is the movement of the abdomen and the chest. Okay, now let's see how to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. With your right hand make this mudra. Okay, with your right hand make this mudra. Fold the first two fingers of your right hand like this. Okay, and the last two fingers and the thumb will be relaxed and they will be open. Now when you want to inhale from the left nostril, you will close your right nostril with the thumb like this. Okay, when you want to inhale or exhale from the left nostril, you will use the thumb to close the right nostril, and when you want to use the right nostril, you will close the left nostril with the last two fingers of your right hand like this. The left hand during the entire pranayam will rest on the thigh. Okay, it will be in a relaxed position on your thigh. Now the process of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. In Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you will close the right nostril first and you will start inhaling from the left like this. As I said, when you inhale, your stomach will inflate and your chest will open up. Okay, when you inhale, you have to inhale in a manner which is very gentle, smooth, long and deep. The sound of inhalation, okay, the sound of nostril that comes from the inhalation should be minimum or it should be zero when you are doing the pranayam. So your inhalation is very slow, long, deep and gentle like this. Now you will close the nostril, the left nostril, and exhale from the right. While exhalation, as I told you, the abdomen will go in. Now you will inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left. Again inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. So what is the process? You will start inhaling from the left nostril, then you will exhale from the right, then you will inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Again inhale from the left and you will continue this for some time. Now, as I told you, when you inhale, the stomach will inflate, the chest will open up. When you exhale, the abdomen will go in when you exhale. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Your inhalation and exhalation both have to be slow, long, deep, and gentle. So you don't have to force your inhalation or exhalation. Don't do like this. जोर से नहीं खींचना है. Okay, you have to inhale deep, but you have to inhale very gently in a way that the sound of the nostril is very minimum or it is zero. Okay, that is how you inhale, slow, long, and deep. Now the next thing about the ratios, how much to inhale, how much to exhale. When you are inhaling, say suppose you are taking 4 to 5 seconds to inhale, then exhalation will be double. That is 8 to 10 seconds. So what is that we have to do is, if you are taking 3 to 4 seconds to inhale, then you will take 6 to 8 seconds to exhale. Means your exhalation has to be double. आपको जितना समय इनहेलेशन में लगता है उससे दुगना समय आपको एक्सहेलेशन में लगना चाहिए. अगर आपसे एक्सहेलेशन डबल नहीं हो सकता है तो एटलीस्ट आप एक्सहेलेशन इनहेलेशन से ज़्यादा रखने की कोशिश करो. सिंपल चीज़ ये है कि एक्सहेलेशन आपका इनहेलेशन से लंबा होना चाहिए, आइडियली वो डबल होना चाहिए. दैट इज हाउ यू डू प्राणायाम. ओके, दिस इज द बेसिक्स ऑफ अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. बेसिक्स, जिसने कभी अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम नहीं किया है, जब वो शुरू करेगा तो वो पूरक और रेचक यानी इनहेलेशन एक्सहेलेशन से शुरू करेगा. एंड दिस आर द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ डूइंग the pranayam. Okay, sit in a cross leg position, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed, back straight. With the right hand make this mudra and you start your pranayam. This is how you do the anulom vilom pranayam. Now what is the best time to do the pranayam? It is in the morning when your stomach is empty or it is light, you feel light. Okay, after you have done your urination, defecation, and you have not eaten anything in the morning, on an empty or a light stomach, that is the best time to do pranayam. Okay, your bladder is empty, your intestines are empty, your stomach is empty, and you feel light, that is the best time to do pranayam. You can do it before lunch and before dinner also. So there are three times you can do. One is in the morning before you eat your breakfast, one is in the afternoon before your lunch, and one is in the evening before your dinner. These are the times you can do your pranayam when you feel light in your abdomen. Thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section or you can message me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you everyone. This is Parth Parikh. Have a nice day.